What's going on, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your avatar on Roblox for Xbox Series S and X. So I've already loaded into the game, and again, like I said in my previous video, you'll load in with your cursor right here. And so what you'll do is you want to go all the way up here to avatar, so you'll click up and over and go ahead and click A to select that, and you are in the avatar customization screen. So you'll just go down, click down to go to customize, or if you want to just go ahead and go to marketplace and see what you can purchase with your Robux, you can do that as well. But for now, we're going to go and click customize, and in this section here, right now I'm over here, but you'll start out on characters, and here you'll have the creations, the different characters that you've created or purchased as well. So these will show a couple of things that you can go ahead and do. There are a couple here that you can select from. For now, we're just going to leave it as it is. And then you go all the way back up and over to head and body. Here you have a couple different heads. Again, there are some purchase selections that you have to buy in store with your Robux. If you need more Robux, go and watch the previous video on my channel where I walk through how to purchase Robux. But if you have those, you are able to purchase different skins and faces and stuff like that in this customization screen. That's the same for all of these across the board, so I'm not going to go through that every time, but you are able to, there are options that are available for purchase under each one of these. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can go to hair here, go over, select your hair. Same thing with skin. And in skin, they have these typical skin colors, but they do have these other weird colors like the pink or the blue and the green. So you can select any of those, but for now, I'm just going to go with our normal skin color. Classic heads, you can choose head shapes and stuff like that. Faces, same with faces, choose different faces. Again, there are options available for purchase if you don't like any of those. Torsos, you have the ability to choose build and stuff like that. Others available for purchase. Arms, legs, pretty self-explanatory. And build, so this is interesting. So what you'll be able to do here is, so you'll click A, you'll come down, you'll click down on the trackpad, and you'll just click A there. And here you are able to adjust how you want the build to be. So down would be shorter, all the way up to the right would be more, would be taller and muscular, and then all the way over would be taller and skinnier. So once you get that to wherever you like it, I'm just gonna go in the middle here, right there. All right, then you'll click A again to select and go down again. You'll be able to click body size here. So if you want somebody taller or shorter, you'll go up and down. If you want them bigger or smaller, you go left to right, and anywhere in between. Again, once you pick where you want to go, again, we'll go right in the middle. You'll click A, and it'll be set. And then if you want to customize head size, you'll go down again, click A to engage, and you can just go left to right depending on where you want the head to be. So we'll just go there. And then from there, you can go to clothing and accessories. These are pretty self-explanatory. You just go through these different options. Some of these don't have free options. You would have to purchase some, such as bottoms. Outerwear didn't have any. Shoes didn't have any either. But let's see here. Shirts, there are a couple options for shirts. There's that one option for a classic t-shirt, which I have equipped right now, and pants have a few options as well. And then accessories, you've got you're able to equip hats and stuff like that. Stuff for the face like sunglasses, neck, like jewelry and stuff like that. These don't have any free options. You will have to purchase some. Shoulder, same thing, no free options. These are like backpacks and stuff like that. You will have to purchase those. Front, nothing with front. Again, like this and those kind of things. Back, which are like capes and any kind of other like backpacks and stuff like that. Again, no free options there. Waist, again, no free options, but you can purchase these. They're like guns, and there's a tail there and stuff like that. And then just basic random gear, again, nothing free, but you are able to purchase these with your Robux. And then you can come to emotes, and you can select up to 8 different emotes if you would like to. There are 4 that come free, but you can purchase more. You are only able to select 8 at a time. But say you wanted to do this, replace that one, you would click on the one that you want to replace up here, click A, and then you'd come down here and you'd be able to replace that with whichever you want. So say I want to replace it with this. I already have hello up there, but just for the video, I'll show you guys. You can deselect and select, oh, that's already in a slot. So, but you get the gist. You would be able to do that with any of these, but I'll go ahead and reselect that. Now, to get back out, you will have to press the B button. Hit the B button, and there you are, you're back out. And same for animations. There is one free animation that is equipped. But yeah, that is the gist of being able to customize your avatar on Roblox. I hope this video is helpful. If I earned your subscription or a like, I would greatly appreciate that. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.